Hey, you don't want to mess with those, bro. It's gonna mess you up. It's gonna mess you up. It's actually a thing for like the highways to be shut down due to the sun, because like at this point in time you're literally just staring into the sun. Yeah, I don't know if it's going. I might have just run a red light. I don't even know. That ain't help for shit.
It's Tom Ford's though.
Oh, Tom Ford. Time for yeah, now it's still just as strong. It's fine. Y'all gonna have to forgive me. I'm being rude. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. This is our first camping trip of 2023. Let's go. So we decided, well, actually Jazz decided, we would the choice of Temple Canyon or the Banks campgrounds over near Shelf Road. But Shelf Road, it's like an extra 5-6 miles to get there, and the sun's already gone down, so it'll be black as hell in about 45 minutes. So we're gonna go to Temple Canyon, which we've been to, but we've never camped at, so we're gonna find out. So we had to stop and get something to eat.
I had stuff you something. You would have been.
I brought stuff to make food, but
wow.
Y'all see how dark it's getting out
All
there.
we got is Taco Bell, so I mean.
You ain't got ketchup in there? You got like all the condiments. You ain't got no
ketchup. Oh, your favorite ranch.
If you from Arkansas, you love ranch.
Oh my God.
It's in
Why
your
do
DNA.
I have 2 of these?
You can't not love ranch. It's double negative, so you know you gotta love it. Located just south of Cañon City and only about an hour and 15 minutes away from Colorado Springs, Temple Canyon Park provides plenty of outdoor recreation activities such as hiking, mountain biking, camping, and fishing. Grape Creek actually runs through the bottom of the canyon and will connect later on downstream with the Arkansas River. And there's also several different camping areas, so you can camp in the park itself, which is paid, or where we're pulling off right here, this offshoot will allow you to do some dispersed camping at some established campsites, and also give you access to the trail system that will take you down to Grape Creek. There was campsites before. Yeah. Morning. So we got to camp, got set up. Got to sleep because it was already kind of late, and now getting firewood. So I found a nice little dead tree, get some sticks, and we'll get a fire going this morning. Now y'all probably gonna talk about us, and that's okay. But we still have food left over from last night, and I got real lazy in the morning, so we really just heated up leftover Wendy's sandwiches, and that was breakfast. Okay, so Jazz usually gets her way like most of the time, almost all the time, and she's been asking for a rooftop tent because she says she's tired of doing the ground tent thing, which I totally understand, kind of. Most of the time. We actually started in the truck with a truck tent, but it was a Napier truck tent, and then we got this when we got rid of the truck tent. So this is the Napier SUV tent, back roads edition. It's a 10 by 10, or so they say. It's pretty spacious, not even gonna lie. Oh wow. No, the gimbal died. So, alright, let's hold it. So, this is it. It's 10 by 10. I'm not sure. I think this is an all-weather tent, all four-season tent. We've used it as a four-season tent, so I'm gonna tell you that it will survive all 4 seasons. And what's wrong, bro? What's wrong? What's wrong? You wanna go back out? That's fine. But it holds everything. It's got a 6-foot table in here, cooler, totes. Had no issues with any of this ever coming off, and we've been through some pretty windy storms, especially like in Buena Vista and Divide, and it survived. No weird leaks, except one time. We had that one time where it leaked because we parked weird and the water runs over this, and this is all unexposed. Well, it's all open, it's just clamped down. And so water ran into the tent one time. But that was user error. So it's been a pretty solid tent though. My biggest complaint is just the setup. It takes forever to set it all up. You have to make sure, obviously, you're on level ground. A tent this big. Hey man, where you going? A tent this big, it tends to, you know, take up a larger. Hey, come, Zahid, get away from this stuff, dude. You're gonna mess your legs up. And we would really like a quicker setup, so we are going to pull the trigger, make a decision on a rooftop tent for probably my Jeep. I think we decided. I feel like that makes the most sense because your Jeep's the way, it's like so much better off-road. So like if we're going to do a trail, I want to do it in your Jeep. I don't want to do it in mine. Mine also doesn't have true low range, so those downhills suck. Do it. Do it. You're so fake. You're so fake. So, hands down, I think we will both agree that the worst part of this whole like camping experience is the pack up. And another reason why the rooftop tent is pretty much inevitable at this point, because with the child trying to pack up, not fun. So we showed you the tent to really just kind of point out like how much we've liked this tent, but we're ready for the next one. And it should look something like this. That was so fast. It may sound crazy, but this tent really does change the game for us when it comes to camping and just getting out. Because now we can stop somewhere, and instead of getting a hotel, the setup is much faster. So I'm really looking forward to getting out and spending some more nights this summer in this tent. My wife is super excited about it, but we wanted to just show you guys the new setup. We'll do a longer in-depth video on it, but we'll see you next time.